torta kami nga talong mo. Pagbaon ko lang. May mino na lang nga naka-apply.
Wow. Connie.
Catch the eggplant.
Guys, andito ang talipapa ng Katiklan. So, yan. Bibili kami ng isda, guys. Ma, magkano kilo ng isda?
120 lang ang kilo, Inday.
120. Kunin ko na po lahat na. Guys, wala sa ang ID gala.
Welcome to Boracay!
Ito na lang.
Wow, look at that view! Wow, look at the view! Wow!
Oh my God!
Ang saya-saya ni Nono.
Look at the view! Yung view lang yung
Smile na, okay? Diba?
amazing!
Worth it!
Look
Hello.
at the view!
I'm Francis Vince Garula ka na I love my life.
Oh, that's good.
Oh my God! Look at that! Worth it ba? Worth it! Worth it talaga. Look at the view. Worth it ba ang pagod? Worth it ba? Pumawi sa view. Los, tingnan mo ang view, Los. Ay, sorry. Los, worth it ang view, Los.
Oh, wow! Ang bigat ng itlog na maitim. Nabasag na siya.
Wow! Tita pa? Anong masabi mo sa view?
Pangmalakasan.
Wow or hindi wow?
Wow.
Walang.
Maganda. Wow.
Yeah! Ayan guys! Grabe guys!
So this villa is 15 bathroom and 13 bedroom. So it's a gorgeous one. So I'm gonna show you guys the closet. There's the closet and the bathroom. Wow.
Wow!
Wow, look at this. The shower, look at the shower. You even can sleep here. You even can sleep here. You see?
Shower!
Look at the shower. You even can eat here and sleep here. You see? This is my studio.
Doon na lang ako.
This is my studio unit already.
Guys!
You see? That's so gorgeous.
Grabe. Yeah, 3.
Hi guys, welcome to Boracay, and this is my room. It's a master bedroom, and look at the view. It's gorgeous. Right. Look at the
Lasing. Lasing na ako. Lasing na ako.
Kawawa naman ang mega mo.
Of the villa that we rent. Oh, that's my friend, my batchmate. Look at that.
Okay guys, let's eat.
it, guys.